Good morning. Today we are operating on a 9-year-old child. She was having a right side complete cleft lip, cleft alveolus, and cleft palate. She was earlier operated for lip repair and palate repair, and currently her problems are she has a hypernasal speech. That means she has a velopharyngeal insufficiency. Her soft palate is repaired nicely. The movements are good, but the soft palate is short, so that's why it's not able to close the vellum, and that is why she has a hypernasal speech. So our plan number one is to do palatal lengthening with Furlow's double opposing Z plastic. Her second complaint is a nasal regurgitation. She is having interpalatal fistula as well as the alveolar fistula, and because of that the fluid is going into the nose. So we are planning to do her interpalatal fistula as well as the alveolar fistula repair. Since the fistula is moderately big, so we are not combining procedure with the alveolar bone grafting. We will do it after 6-7 months. Another complaint is she's having a nasal deformity, typical unilateral cleft nose deformity, and she has a problem in the school. She is bullied in the school, so her priority is to do the nasal correction. So we are going to perform a preschool rhinoplasty in her case. So we'll just do tip plasty and repositioning of the lower lateral cartilage, and some minor corrections required in her lips. So we are combining all these procedures together in one surgery only. So let's wait for the result.